Hi friend, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we make to show lithium-ion battery charger indication circuit. This project is cool and helpful for the life of lithium-ion battery. BC547 transistor, 220 ohm resistor, 10K potentiometer, green LED, 1N4007 diode, 1K resistor, red LED, 2-pin terminal block. So let's start making this project. Connect the collector of BC547 to first leg of 220 ohm resistor. And connect the other end of 220 ohm resistor with the middle pin of 10K potentiometer. Connect the third pin of 10K potentiometer with the green LED positive. And connect the negative of green LED to cathode of diode. And then connect the anode of diode to the base of BC547. Connect the first leg of 1K resistor. With the anode of diode, connect the emitter to BC547 with another point of 1K resistor. Then even after this, connect the collector point of BC547 with the positive of red LED and the negative point of red LED with the emitter of BC547. For the input and output of this circuit, we will be connect the first leg of both terminal to the middle point of 10K potentiometer and connect the second leg of both terminal to the emitter of BC547. So friends, the connection of the circuit is completed. So test the circuit.